Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload required business documents on Bluevine. So it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time, so let's just get straight into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website or the mobile app. Next, if documents are needed, you're going to see a notification at the top of your dashboard, so go ahead and tap Upload Documents. Next, review the request carefully. Bluevine may ask for items like your EIN confirmation letter, articles of incorporation, business license, or a recent utility bill. Next is to tap Upload and then select files from your device. On mobile, you can take a photo of the document using your phone's camera. Next, make sure the images are clear and that all corners are visible and the text is easy to read. Be sure to avoid glare or blurry images. Next is to submit the file. You're going to see a confirmation message once the upload is successful. Last step, wait for Bluevine to review. Now, most documents are approved within 1 to 2 business days. And that's it. Your business documents are securely uploaded and under review. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.